Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorial how to align two objects. So as example we have these objects and I will move and you can add more objects like cube. Now if you want to align between these two objects, you can select the two objects, go to objects menu and then click transforms and then choose aligns objects. Now you can go to the aligns object properties here. So the default will be set to center and then active objects. So you can change like into selection. Now you can align in X axis or go to Y axis. And if you click Z axis, it will be set into the default. So you can use the X lines or Y axis. You also can set for the relative to like into the 3D cursors. X will be moved into 3D cursors lines. Or you can set into scan origins. Also same. Okay, that's it for a basic Blender 5.1 how to align two objects.